Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited because Flowywig sent me this gorgeous wig for me to try out, and honestly I cannot wait to show you guys everything. So let's get straight into it. So I did two braids and I'm just making sure that everything is flat and neat so the wig sits perfectly. Inside the bag they include a pack with two wig caps, which I love because it's always useful. And now the wig, you guys. The moment I picked it up, I could really feel the weight, and you know what that means: density. The wig is full, like really full. It's a 22 inches Burmese curly, and please just look at this texture. It is so soft, and the curls are beautiful and bouncy. Honestly, this is the kind of wig I would spend my money on. It comes with a tag showing it's 22 inches and the lace is HD. Super thin, super meltable, and is a 5x5 closure. So I know I've said this already, but I need to say it again. Like, this wig is full. You know, I've had like high density wigs before, but this one really surprised me. The density is crazy in the best way. So I'm plucking the lace a little bit just to make the hairline a bit more natural. But I have to say I'm not a pro when it comes to plucking, so I just tried my best. And yeah, this definitely took me a little while, so we are speeding it up. So that's how it's looking after plucking the hairline. It's not too dramatic, but I think I tried my best. So now I'm using my work stick to push everything back, and then I go in with my hot comb around the front. This always helps the wig look sleek and laid. Now I'm just gonna go with my wig glue, and I only did 2 layers because this glue is really strong, so I don't really need more than that. After letting it dry a bit, I'm pressing the lace down using my rat hair comb to make sure it sticks perfectly. Now I'm just putting on my elastic band to melt the lace. And while it is melting, I will be refreshing my curls. I'm gonna be using some water and mousse. So I'm adding a little bit of makeup just to blend everything even better. So I always make sure to cut the lace in a zigzag mode just for to have like that straight line, and then I will be touching up the spot where it lifted with a tiny bit of glue. Now we'll be spraying a bit of spritz so everything melts nicely without leaving any white cast. I'm going to place a piece of barbing tape under my elastic band, but it's just to get that clean finish. Now I'm just adding a little bit of conditioner to the curls and retouching the front again with the hot comb. And lastly, I retouch my middle part with some makeup for that clean natural look. And this is the final look, guys. Honestly, this wig is beautiful. The density is amazing and the curls are soft and defined. The HD is something I really love. It melted like perfectly and it looks so natural. It feels like a very high quality wig and I was genuinely impressed with how full it is. With that said, if you are interested in this wig, I will leave the link in the description box so you can check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Please share if you found it helpful, like, leave me your comments on my comment section, and thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.